ich geh nicht alleine ein.
So good! Guten Tag, Thorpe, and welcome to Oktoberfest. Because we heard that Oktoberfest is the best thing since sliced bread.
And because the beer is to die for.
Yeah. Now, you're probably wondering why you gathered here to watch us all today. That was so silly.
So silly.
Well, it's
In a craft beer shop by a dusty-old keg with the money we've got. Tapped it in the afternoon. We figured it'd be empty soon. Finishing another round and beer keeps pouring. We're astounded. Pick the keg up, rock the side. There's 99 steins of beer inside. 99 steins of beer, pouring luscious, golden clear. Around the keg it starts to glow. We're to somewhere far from home. A German tavern springs to life. Time one more time to my surprise. I'm in lederhosen in my side. There's 99 steins of beer inside.
oh my goodness. Okay, sketchy. Oh, yeah, give them a clap. They're good, yeah.
Double check.
Yes, there we go, there we go. And we have the lovely skiing outfit.
Of course! Check! Wait! Uncheck! You cannot go out on these slopes looking like this. You're going to get a chill. You know what? Look at all these lovely guests and have fun of our outfits. You can learn a thing or two from them.
Oh, I have a brilliant idea. Okay,
Now.
why don't we get Elba?
Okay, we're going to need some audience participation for this next bit. I'm coming.
Where did you go, Sketchy?
Oh, it's like a magic trick. Now I'm here.
Oh, wow.
Surprise! Okay, so we need your participation now. We're going to show you 2 accessories and you're going to cheer because Ivan, you think is it more appropriate, okay?
Okay, now let's take to the floor, thank you. Okay, so we're going to start with the headband. I am going to show you 2 options, and once I show them to you, then we vote. And don't vote yet.
Accessories.
Okay. Here now.
As you found that.
Okay, alright, I think the animal hat. Good. Okay, alright, moving on to the eye there. We've got our first option, which is very appropriate. Lovely.
It looks so good for the slopes.
Okay, alright, and our final one, the last one, we're going to look at the hand warmers. So, we've got this lovely pair of blue mid-hooves. And then our second option is some boxing gloves. Ding, ding! Okay, so if we sing...
Let's go have fun. Woohoo! It's so lovely!
Oh yeah, stretch your stuff. Oh yeah, she's knocking out, yeah. Ooh, to the music. Oh yeah, come on everyone.
Oh yes. Wow, makes it.
We're going to clap. Here we go. Listen to what it says. We're going to my favorite one. We're going to sleep. And wave your hands. Oh yeah. We're going to pause the Uber. Oh yeah. Here we go. And sleep. And chill. Oh, good insight, everyone. Go for a walk. Let's walk it out. Let's see the thing. And now the reason we all came here, we're going to ski.
I'm freezing cold. I'm
freezing.
so tired.
Ritu Nasaban. Ritu Nasaban.
Hello, we're going to do another dance, I think, now.
When I feel your gentle touch and things are going our way.
Bring it in.
This is fun.
It's my time!
Yeah, yeah. A ding dong.
Ding dong!
Come on, baby, we can get lost.
Ding dong!
Yeah, yeah. Ding dong.
Ding dong!
When I see you, I feel like ding dong.
Oh, I'm such a star.
That was so good.
That was awful. We said, are you having a wonderful day?
Oh, thank goodness, because we have been waiting all year. There's a lovely Mr. and Mrs. Euro to come back to Oktoberfest.
Oh, but maybe it's yours. I thought you said something more than English.
Anyway, now that the formalities are out of the way, let's stop it so